So my buddy here at the shop started to do a headlight restoration service on this, what is this, like Toyota Camry? Oh, loud noises. And he did the sanding phase, did a pretty good job, but got a little scared when it came to the phase where we put the UV protectant slash scratch filler clear coat on there. So I'm gonna finish up with that right now. So one more shot with some glass cleaner. See, when you sand these, it removes all of the sun-damaged plastic. Down here we have UV damage on everything. Your paint, your skin, your headlights, your house, everything. So we sand off all of the UV damaged plastic of the headlight lens and then spray it with a UV protectant. And that makes them nice and shiny and new. That way we can see it at night and it doesn't cost us the cost of a replacement lens. However, it's all in the finish. It's all in the finish. If you put the UV spray on too heavy, it runs and looks like crap. Put it on unevenly, it looks like crap. And sometimes you can do the best job ever, but the UV damage is so deep, it still looks like crap. One more dry towel. What's happening, buddy?
So you paint it on? No.
Yeah, it's
It's
like a clear coat UV protectant stuff. You sand off all of the sun damaged part, and then just spray some clear coat on it, fills the little cracks, and there you go. We go from that to that. Not too bad.
No, that's pretty cool, man. I like that.
Catch is it has to sit in the sun and dry. It's like UV activated, so if you don't put any ultraviolet on it, it won't dry. So on a day like today where it's windy and overcast, it's hit or miss. And if it rains on it, party's over.
It's gonna be raining later.
Yeah. A lot of places have a UV light in the shop. We don't have one. Yeah, look at that one. Nice. All right, I had to doctor up a little bit more of the tape over here. You needed extra paint because we don't want to get the clear coat protectant stuff on the paint. And it's not gonna hurt anything really, but it could change the way the paint looks in the sun, and we don't want to do that. Wiping it down. You guys are shaking all over. It's because you're dangling from the hood and I'm shaking the car. Probably could have thought that one through a little bit better.
I'll put your receipt under your phone.
Thank you, sir. Okay, let's dry this up real quick. Like, I use one towel for wiping and then another towel for final drying. That way I don't redeposit any moisture. You can see there's some because as I move around, it's making little streaks. Probably picking it up from the edges here. All right, that's good. There goes nothing. No, I'm not painting the fender. I know that it's close. I have decades of rattle can experience. Repainted the car after you said you wouldn't paint the car. Do 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 do.
This is how I get through my day. Beautiful. Look at that.
Nice. Here, let's pull off all the protective stuff. And of course, I'll go and wipe down this bumper after the fact, so there's not streaks of dead ultraviolet destroyed plastic on the bumpers. That would be ugly. But this is not ugly. Nice. This is one of the better ones. Juan did a great job of sanding. Look at that. Alright guys, hope you enjoyed the short little video. Thanks for watching. See you guys later. Have yourselves a great day. Bye.
Go up to 15.
All the pressure.
All right.
Danger.